Alright guys, gonna be walking around my 2020 Silverado today. It is a 3.0 Duramax Z71 Texas edition, and it's also RST. So got a couple more features on this thing. Gonna tell y'all what I like about it, what I don't like about it, kind of how it's holding up. So let's get into it. I guess the first thing we can do is just walk around it. Got the paint match grille. Got this blue with kind of some flake in it. So this thing's got 87,000 miles on it. So it's got some paint chips, but nothing too crazy. I'm probably gonna end up taking that badge off right here, just because I'm from Arkansas and I don't want to rep Texas. But we got RST, dual exhaust. I think these tires are just under 33s, kind of like 32 and a halves. So these tires are 295 55s, R20s. The only thing I got done to this truck is a level. I think it's a 2-inch level in the front to fit those 295s. Let's take a look inside. This is the interior. I'm not sure if other interiors are like this or if this is the Texas, but let's go ahead and start it up. So this is what you're looking at when you start her up. I will say this truck goes like 500 miles on one tank, which is pretty insane. Tire pressure, all your stuff here. Gas mileage. This one's interesting. I got about 17 over the last 400 miles. And if you don't drive like me, you might get a little better than that. But this thing will get up to like 26 on the interstate if you're just chilling. So I do love that. My CarPlay has been messing up. It's not working right now because I'm videoing, but I ended up getting this Bluetooth adapter, little dongle thing, and it's been working great. So you got your CarPlay, heat seaters, you know, all your stuff. Window, back window. You got your steering wheel heater. You get kind of this brown leather, I guess, with this edition, kind of gray and brown. In the back seat, I got my dog cover in here, but tons of space. I have 2 10s up under here, subwoofers. The ported box, and they're super loud. I'm gonna make another video on that soon. Yeah, this is what she sounds like started up with the 3.0 Duramax, the MINIMAX. I love it. Absolutely love the MINIMAX. Let's pop the hood. A little dirty from duck season, but still running good. That's what you're looking at in there. And then really the only thing I got done to this truck is just the bed cover and the level. Pretty stock. I do like this right here. Open up all your stuff. But like I said, this truck's got 87, almost 88,000 miles on it. And 2020, so I've been putting some miles on her, but she's been holding up super good. But anyways, I think my favorite part about this truck is the gas mileage, number one, and the torque and the power. This thing has so much power. Like putting in my boat this year for duck season and everything, I was putting in some sketchy spots, and it would just crawl right out. So I do love that about this truck, and it just rides like a car. It's too nice for me. So, but anyways, if y'all got any questions about this truck, or you're looking for one and just want more information about these 1500s, definitely let me know. Leave a comment below. And yeah, if y'all enjoyed this video, leave a like, definitely subscribe to the channel. Gonna have more truck videos coming, and I will see you guys later. Peace.